Shut up, dude. No, I'm kidding. Okay, yo, it's raining hard. And we're going to be doing some stupid stuff. So this piece of cardboard.
Yeah!
And ourselves.
Cars!
So,
Everybody loves cars!
yeah.
Yeah.
We're going to head up to the city park.
Well, first we're going to go to the right.
See what we can do there. Splash! God, my feet are wet now.
I'm cold already. And we haven't even started.
Yeah, we have on videotaping.
Well, I mean, like...
Hey, guys. I'm on top of a hill. Give me the cardboard.
Cardboard.
I get first 20 videotape.
Okay.
This is a stupid guy.
I need new underwear.
This is first stunt, people. Okay, Jake's gonna attempt what I just did, and then we'll go on to Stupid Boy stunts number 2.
Go.
Dude. He tore the cardboard. Okay, now you guys can go watch Stupid Boy Stunts in the Rain 2.